blessings. It's so fun to get to listen and rock in the back. I'm saying encore and encore and encore and encore and encore. Amazing, cool. We'll keep this party rocking. Y'all are a beautiful audience. Thanks for coming out on a Wednesday night. Give it up for yourselves. Yeah. We could all be watching Netflix or staring into our dog's eyes, but we're here, which is pretty special and beautiful, so thanks for coming through. Next up to the stage, I'm so excited to invite a Speak Out Sac veteran. This individual, there's no intro that could possibly do him justice. Just every word they rob melts my heart. I know many of us were in tears a couple weeks ago with the performance of 89. So please, trigger warning, every word that comes out of their mouth is emotional and sweet and beautiful. But tonight, they're going to be singing some music for us, so please get excited, get ready to feel and rock and vibe with the one and only artist, Jeff!
Are we going to be good with this one?
Which one you want with that one?
Oh, both of them, if that's possible. Sorry. Sorry. Give it up for Sharon, guys.
I gotta go with some.
Oh, you gotta go there. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Turn it up.
Oh, who said meow?
That was me.
Sorry, we'll get this going soon. Okay, well guys, hey, it's good to be back. You know what, hey, before I go on, if you want to follow me on my website, Facebook page, YouTube, or even Instagram, meet writer Jeff Acosta. Meet as in pleased to meet you, writer as in writing books, Jeff J. Acosta, A-C-O-S-T-A. And so, I gotta say guys, for those of you who were here last month when I sang Baby Mine Up, please forgive me, I was just going through so much last month, so I'm really sorry that you had to hear it, but I appreciate the love.
We love you.
Thank you. Things are still a little up and down, but you know what? Things are getting better. But for those of you who may remember, I sang this song 2 years ago when we were at Shine Cafe, but I feel like I have a deeper reason now to sing it because my dog passed away last week. Yeah, so yeah, I was working and my parents sent a message to my siblings. Yeah, Darla, that's her name. She's now resting in peace. I was like, oh god. I mean, it was difficult because she was the last of my dogs when my brothers and sister and I all lived at home. But you know what? She lived a wonderful life. And if it wasn't for my brother, finding her 15 years ago, who knows what would have happened to her. So we have a lot of wonderful memories. So that's what this is about.
Yep. Let's go. So I'm so sorry because there's just a little issue back next to
Uh-oh.
It's just that it's queued up to I'm a believer. And they just don't
I'm a believer.
That's the jam. Jeff, everybody!
I like that song, but no, not tonight.
That's not what we're singing.
Not tonight. Technology. Can't live with it, can't live without it. Okay, there we go.
Okay,
Awesome.
from the top.
Sorry, this cuts over the 5 minutes, guys. I'm really sorry. I guess you could say with Grace and all them, they got an eye for everything. I'm a believer. You know what? Here.
Okay. Can I pull it up on my phone and maybe I'll have someone else go up real quick?
Sure.
Time? Okay, blessings.
Okay, let's just do.
You come back here and we'll do that. Okay, wonderful. All right, thanks for everybody. words, but that's so special. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming up here with 00000 notice. That's hella brave. Y'all are beautiful. Yo, next up to the stage, I'm really excited. I think we got this figured out. I think we're gonna be in for a real treat. So please make some noise one more time for Jeff.
Okay, here we go. Sorry about that, guys. But while we're doing that, in case you're kind of curious, I actually made this costume like when the Broadway revival cast was around. Yeah.
Go ahead, Jack! We see you!
Up and running.
Oh, this one's not on. Start over.
We may need to do a one mic situation.
Don't.
It's all good.
Sorry.
Don't do that. That looks weird.
I think cat. Oh, he said cat.
Ah, that's him.
Okay. Here, see if I can try this. I might have to split that one actually. Next one. This is perfect. Yeah.
All right, now clap.
Midnight, not a sound from the Thanks, guys.